This initial solution will show you how to fix music option not available on Facebook. So first of all, the first solution is you have to update your Facebook app. So open your Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook, and if you see any update available, then you have to update your Facebook app. Once you updated the Facebook app, tap on open and tap on what's on your mind, and I'm gonna adding a dummy photo here, and I'll tap on edit, and then here you will get the music option. Now tap on this music option, and then you can easily add music to your Facebook post. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.